AMS system setup, labels. Labels. Label printers. Label printing is available directly from the application. Printing is only possible to special label printers and will not work on all label printers. Each user, PC, browser combination must therefore be configured for the label printer. Note that if a different web browser or PC is used, the label printer configuration will have to be repeated. Due to security and firewall protection, it is not possible for the application to print directly to a remote label printer. Each client machine that needs to print locally from ASP.NET websites through the Web Client Print solution will be required to install a very small utility called Web Client Print Processor, Wcpp. Wcpp is a lightweight native app, without any dependencies, that processes all the client print jobs generated by the Web Client Print server-side application. The client machine requirements are OS, Windows XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Browser, Internet Explorer 6 or greater, i.e. 10 or 11 in desktop mode, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome 11 or greater, Opera 9 or greater, and Safari 3.0 or greater. There is a download for Mac available. Both the Wcpp installer for Windows as well as the Wcpp program file are digitally signed with a Windows Authenticode certificate issued by DigiCert Assured ID Code Signing CA1 to protect users from malware and tampering. This application is a free-of-charge license held by Avdex. Configuration. Install the label printer drivers on the PC. To install and configure the Wcpp application, select the username on the top right of the AMS page. Note the label printer options. Download the Wcpp application from this link. Note that AMS 3 is programmed only for version 5. Install the Wcpp application. Select the label printer and save. As users may be working from different computers, this label printer configuration is not stored on a personal profile, but in a cookie on the current browser. Inventory labels. The inventory labels are unique to each part batch received. When the printer is configured, users may specify how many copies of the inventory labels should be printed when the print action is triggered. Inventory labels have a barcode linking it to the exact inventory batch in the store. All other relevant part information is included on the label to assist with the traceability. Inventory labels can be printed with different filters. These include selected inventory item, accessible from the purchase order page received list, accessible from the inventory item edit page, inventory items linked to a specific purchase order line item, accessible from the purchase order print options, inventory items linked to a specific purchase order, accessible from the purchase order print options, inventory items linked to a specific GRV, accessible from the shipment page in the GRV section, accessible from the receipts page in the GRV section,